How I use Gemini AI's deep research to master any topic. Have you ever wondered to start researching a new topic but didn't know where to begin? Maybe you felt overwhelmed by all the websites, articles, and random information out there. Well, today I'm going to show you a tool that might help Gemini AI's deep research. It will provide you quick, organized research on almost any topic without you doing all the hard work. Let's take a look and see if it actually delivers. Provide your credentials and log into your Gemini. Clicking on this drop-down, you're going to find the front version of Gemini. Set it to deep research. Now, go ahead and type in your question like, what's the environmental impact of fast fashion or anything? Gemini was away and starts crafting a full-blown research plan on the spot. Now, about editing the research plan, brace yourself. While it says you can edit, it's not this slick drag and drop experience you are hoping for. Instead, it throws you into a chat interface where you have to explain the changes you want, like telling your intern actually skip the rated sources and add peer-reviewed articles. Expect your intern is a chatbot. Gemini pulls from a variety of sources, government websites, university pages, blog posts, even videos. And unlike many AI tools that just spit out walls of text, Gemini includes formatted tables. Citations are vague and you won't get neat APA or MLA references. If you copy the content straight from the app into a doc, you'll lose the clickable links. However, if you open the report directly in Google Docs, it's much cleaner, formatted nicely with the links and numbering intact. Gemini AI's deep research is not going to replace Google Scholar or your favorite citation manager anytime soon. But if you need a fast, organized launchpad for a new topic, especially one with visuals like tables and structured output, it's pretty fantastic. Just don't expect it to ace your next thesis draft without a little human help. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more honest AI reviews, and check out my other videos. Thanks for watching.